Just a few minutes ago, this person didn't even exist. It started as a simple prompt. Then AI turned it into an image. After that, we brought it to life. And today we're going to make it speak. Hi everyone, welcome back. Last time we tested which free AI tool could animate this image using the exact same prompt. But today we take this experiment one step further. Can AI actually make this character speak naturally?
Hi, a few minutes ago, I didn't even exist, and now I'm talking to you.
Just like before, every platform gets the exact same image, the exact same audio, and the default settings. Every platform will be scored using the exact same criteria: lip sync accuracy, facial motion, character consistency, ease of use, and free plan value. Let's find out which free AI creates the most realistic talking character. Kling has become one of the most popular AI video generators, so I was really curious to see how it will handle lip sync. But there is one important limitation. At the moment, Kling doesn't let you upload your portrait for lip sync. Instead, you're limited to characters generated inside Kling itself. To keep this comparison fair, I used the video generated during episode 2 and applied the exact same voice recording. Unfortunately, the results weren't quite what I expected.
Hi, a few minutes ago, I didn't even exist.
The mouth movements don't stay perfectly synchronized with the speech, facial expression remain fairly limited, and overall the character feels less natural than I hoped. Kling is still an excellent AI video generator, but for realistic lip sync, it still has some catching up to do. Next up, CapCut. Unlike Kling, CapCut lets you apply lip sync directly to a single image. So, to keep this comparison as fair as possible, I used the exact same rooftop portrait and the exact same voice recording. And honestly, I didn't expect this.
Hi, a few minutes ago, I didn't even exist.
The lip sync is noticeably more accurate, the facial expression feels more natural, and overall the character feels much more alive. It's not perfect, because it's not, there are still few small imperfections, but compared to Kling, the improvement is immediately noticeable. For a completely free tool, CapCut delivers a surprisingly strong result. The idea was one of the first platforms to make AI talking portraits popular. So I was really curious to see how it performs today. Unfortunately, the free plan comes with some major limitation. Even though you can upload your own image recording, the platform doesn't actually use for recording in the final animation. Instead, it replaces it with one of its own built-in voices.
Hi, a few minutes ago, I didn't even exist.
That means I couldn't create a fair comparison using the exact same voice as the other platforms. Because of that, the idea isn't a realistic option if you're looking for high-quality free AI lip sync. Next, HeyGen, and I have very high expectation for this one. But getting started wasn't easy as I expected. The workflow is noticeably more complicated than the other platforms, and it took quite some time just to figure out how everything works. Another limitation, HeyGen requires a longer voice recording before it can generate a talking avatar. After finally creating the animation, the results didn't justify the extra complexity.
Hi, a few minutes ago, I didn't even exist.
The lip sync wasn't significantly better than the simple tools we already tested, and on top of that, the free version doesn't let you download your final video, and exported previews are covered with large watermarks. At least for the free plan, it's difficult to properly evaluate the final quality. I really want to include Hedra in this comparison because a lot of people recommend it. I couldn't perform a fair test, so I leave Hedra out of today's ranking. And after testing every platform under the exact same conditions, CapCut takes the top spot with 19 out of 25 points. It wasn't perfect, but it offered the best overall balance between lip sync quality, facial animation, ease of use, and free plan value. That's why today's AI Lab free plan champion is CapCut. And that's it for today's experiment. I hope this comparison helped you to choose the right AI tool, and if you like to see more honest AI comparison like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Because every month these tools get better and better. Just a few years ago, creating something like this felt impossible. Today, anyone can do it. The real question is, where will AI take us next?
We are living our dreams, no matter the cost.